Welcome to demonstration of design, development and calibration of non-invasive geophysical methods for detection and characterization of septic tanks. This project has 4 objectives. 1. Detection of septic tank. 2. Estimate the size of the septic tank. 3. Measure the fill level. Indicate in terms of full tank, 3/4 of tank, half tank and 1/4 of tank. 4. Identify the spill. Methodology followed in the design of the equipment are as follows. 1. Electrical resistivity tomography technique is used. 2. The proposed equipment uses Wenner-Schlumberger method to measure the resistivity. 3. For easy and simple equipment handling, automation is applied. 4. The proposed equipment uses 16x4 array of stainless steel electrodes. 5. The electrode selection is done automatically using relays through the program of the processing system. 6. The calibration, data interpretation and display is done using Raspberry Pi processing system. 7. Graphically display each survey line. Experimentation and testing. At Indian Institute of Information Technology Design and Manufacturing Kanchipuram we have set up a test bed. 1. Circular tank of 2 number with 3 feet diameter and 4 feet depth. 2. Circular tank of 2 number with 4 feet diameter and 4 feet depth. 3. Square tank with 4 feet depth. Block diagram description of the product as follows. 16x4 electrode array, apply voltage and measure current. Electrode selector unit, select the voltage and current electrodes automatically using programming. Measurement unit, apply voltage to electrode and measure current. Calibrate the resistivity and stores the data.
Data interpretation and display unit, data arrangement and interpretation done using software and display onto the display unit. Power unit, power supply unit for various modules of the product. Operation of the equipment. LCD will give graphical display of the survey lines. To see each survey line related graph click on button A, B, C, D. Survey line A. Survey line B. Survey line C. Survey line D. We have done 2 types of experiments. 1. Baseline experiment that is plain land without tank and 2. Experiment with tank. We could differentiate the graphical display of the ground without tank and with tank. The ground with septic tank will clearly indicate the high resistivity region in the graphical display with its shape.
Raspberry Pi is used as the base development platform for our whole system. 4 16-channel relays namely A, M and B are used as the control module for choosing the necessary electrodes based on Wenner configuration. The relays are switched according to the pattern. Voltage and current values from electrode are measured using ADS 1115 module which is connected to Raspberry Pi. For measuring each set of values from electrodes 20 seconds duration is set, the 20 seconds time duration is chosen empirically. The measured data is logged into a .dat file which is used for plotting the inversion graph which can be viewed by user in the display.
Conclusion. 1. We have developed a proof of concept of an automatic electrical resistivity tomography equipment for detection of septic tank. 2. The proposed equipment is easy to use by municipal worker. 3. Equipment can detect tank, size of the tank, fill level and spill and all functionalities will be demonstrated by September 2021. We thank the following researcher. Dr. Sri Khan. Dr. Manoj Reddy. Dr. Mohan Ram.
Indian Institute for Human Settlement officials.
Who has constantly and time to time reviewed our implementations and gave feedback to design the proof of concept. Thank you all for your support and encouragement.
By IIIT team members. Dr. Noor Mahammad, Ms. Swaathi, Mr. Pintukumar, Mr. Saran Raju, and Mr. Prasad.